All right, YouTube, April the 15th, me and Ethan just got to our third job. This is a new customer. We're doing a total of 3 areas, well 4 areas. Got some staining right here. So I'm just going to show you guys this process. Got some more staining right here. Now they look like rust or something right there. But she just asked me, can I clean this rug? So I'm going to throw it in for her. You can see that the shark is totally empty. Also this room right here, carpet's not that bad. And also this room right here. And the stairs, we're gonna do a very good vacuuming on the stairs. All right guys, so I'm going to let Ethan start vacuuming these carpets. Now guys too, a lot of my YouTube followers have been asking me about the Shark. This is the Shark NV501. Show you guys something right quick. Ethan, before you start, turn that vacuum up so we can see the brush roll. One of the best ways to keep your Shark maintained is to simply keep this as much hair out as possible. As you can see with ours, we have a lot of hair that has built up into that brush roll. And what we can do is just basically just get a knife and just cut it out. Now I also have another Shark, the 3M, I think it's a 0M maintenance, and it is very good by not building up a lot of hair, the way it's designed. And unfortunately, that vacuum is in the shop. It's in the shop. I actually dropped it and broke one of the wheels on it, and they're still waiting for the parts to come in. That thing has been in the shop for almost over a month now. I also have another vacuum that I just ordered. It's more of a commercial grade vacuum, but it is a canister vacuum. I've seen a lot of my carpet cleaning buddies talking about it. It's called the Workhorse, and I was very impressed when I seen it. So I just ordered that one yesterday, and it should be in hopefully by Wednesday or Thursday. You see, we're just pulling all this hair off. So this is one of the main things you need to focus on when you get this vacuum, is keeping all that hair from building up in the brush roll. Because I've seen so much hair build up in these vacuums, it'll stop picking up. And what picks up the soil out of the fibers is these brushes right here. So that's one of the main things you need to focus on, is keeping all that hair and from building up in the fibers. Also too, another thing I like about the Shark is it's very easy to identify when you get something clogged up. I've seen a lot of my customers have Shark vacuums, and they'll say, "Oh, Courtney, my vacuum stopped sucking." And I say, "You know what? Does it run?" They say, "Yeah, it comes on, it's just not sucking." 9 out of 10, it's probably someone has sucked something up into it and it's clogging the airflow. And it's usually in this port right here, which you can take these to a flathead screwdriver, or a flathead or a coin, and twist those, and you can see anything that's in it. Also, I like it right here too on the Shark. So you see all that hair that we got out? So see all that? It just gets caught up in that brush roll. Okay. And then also right here, sometimes stuff will get caught up right here. You can easily open up this. You can see if anything is clogged up in it. Sometimes right here, stuff get clogged up in the hose. So it's really, I like this vacuum, these vacuums, because it's very easy to identify or find out where something is clogged up at. Or sometimes you can just do the whole lift away right here. And all right guys, so Ethan is about done vacuuming this one room. All we have vacuumed is this one room. And just to show you guys again why pre-vacuuming is so important before pre-treating and cleaning. I'm going to let himself work himself out of this room. All right, Ethan, let me see something. All right, guys, so like I said, you see we have not vacuumed the rest of these rooms. This is one room. And show you guys how much dry soil. Look at that, guys, just out of that one room. Look at that. One room, dry soil.
That it hits that too.
Yeah, that lift of the stairs, yeah. I'm gonna tell you what that tool works good on too. Even though it's a stair tool, it works good on upholstery. All right, guys, so we are done with the pre-vacuum. Very satisfying video. Ethan, pull that canvas off and let's see how much dry soil we got all of these carpets. And here we go, guys. So look at that. Look at all that. That's before cleaning. That's before doing the main cleaning. No. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning. See you in the next one.